What's good, YouTube? In this video, guys, we're going to be talking about a few things. First, we're going to talk about AMC. Just waiting for a few more people to get into the chat, guys. Okay, guys, can you guys hear me okay? The music not too loud? Okay, guys, my boy Charles. Mandy was good. Stu smoked me up. You hear him coughing in the background, huh? Alright, but let's dive into it, guys. Alright, guys, look. So this is the plan. What's going on for Monday? As you can see here, guys, like I've been saying multiple times about how they have that wall built around $65. Why? Because that will put them in the margin call. Now look, check this out, guys. Let's get a better detailed look at it. If you look here, this is where you'll see the high at. Now, if you look here, we hit a high of 64.71. And then we come over here on Friday, it hit another high of 64.95, guys. The wall is tough. It's built strong. And it has a lot of resistance, okay? Now, the only way we can march beyond $65, we have to smack the ask price when we in that $64 range. I don't care if you only can buy one share, guys. If the apes community can do that as a whole, it will move the strike price above $65. Now, looking here at the order flow distribution from the last trading day, guys, it does look like a lot of large scale inflow came into play, which is those ETFs that are betting on, that just want to bet on AMC as well, guys. They see the opportunity. The short squeeze numbers are real. In fact, it is basic math. Now, looking at the ETF weighting, AMC does have a lot of ETFs invested in it. Now, it's not to my surprise that SoFi is number one. SoFi has a nice stake in AMC. Charles say I got 192 shares. Well, Charles, you are going to be set for a long time, guys. Just imagine holding your shares and selling them after each one is worth $2,000. Okay, it is possible. We see the borrowed interest rate for the hedge funds is going higher every day, so AMC is getting harder to borrow. We know it isn't a law that specifies when they have to cover their call. So with that being said, guys, if they can afford it, they will hold it. But with the interest rate steady increasing, it's costing you guys. It is costing billions over time. So if we want to force them into a bad situation, we have to get the stock price to close over $65. And the only way we can do that, guys, we have to be buying on the up and up. I know guys don't like to buy stock when it's on the rise, but as a ape community, guys, that's the only way possible. That's how Porsche was able to achieve what they did. Okay, we know Porsche. It took Porsche 2 years. It took Porsche 2 years to squeeze Volkswagen. All right, to short squeeze Volkswagen. Okay, so don't expect AMC to get the job done in 6 months' time. Now, we see that the share dilution will not come into play at all in 2021. So we do have time. But the apes already control over 90% of the outstanding shares. So it's not many places these hedge funds can actually go crawling to cover their calls. But that's when the institutions come in to play, guys. If we look here at the institutional holdings, 27%. So if my theory is correct, and these institutions are in fact helping the hedge funds, guys, that's where they will get the shares for cheap. Now, we do see a change in share count. Almost 1,000 shares have been shaved off, but that is old, guys. Do not pay that any attention. Now, another stock I wanted to talk to you guys about, and this is one very special stock, guys, Gevo. In case any of you guys never heard what Gevo is, Gevo is in fact a biofuel company, and it also has fuel for cars, planes, and trains, guys. Clean energy source. Not only that, it has a net zero project. They are trying to put out zero emissions here in their fuel. Now, if you take a look here at the day chart for Gevo, guys, not too long ago, Gevo was just trading $15. Now, if we look here what the analysts rate this stock, the analyst is saying that the low is $16, guys. So Gevo does have a lot of room to run. If we look here at the support line down here, it is canoeing upward. That is a good sign as well. So another thing, guys, a lot of institutional change has been going on here in Gevo. It is something going on that we don't know, guys. As you can see here, institutions are loading up on Gevo. This happened Friday. As you can see here, 3 extra institutions jumped in the game, adding a total of 3.46 million shares and adding 1.74 ownership to the total. Now, Gevo just had some very good news, guys. In case you guys did not hear about that, the Kimberly Brown was just a name, the human resource lady, and people back her up a lot, guys. She moved a lot for Toys R Us, as well as she did a lot for Walmart when it started up, guys. So expect Gevo to be headed in the right direction. Another stock you guys should be watching out for Monday is NIO, guys. NIO is set to make some big moves. So we're looking here at the day chart. As you can see here, guys, steady growth. Steady growth. The bottom was $30. So if you did get your $30 NIO shares, shout out to you. SEC made an announcement about making shares today. Yeah, I seen that. West Side Weed Smoke. Now, yeah, guys, NIO is looking to make some big moves very soon, even though that the chip shortage is affecting these EV cars. With NIO being in China, it shouldn't affect NIO at all in the long term. NIO is a long-term buy, in my opinion. Now, guys, another stock that a lot of people is talking about, and this can be the next $1 trillion company. Nvidia, guys. Nvidia is not being affected like most other tech companies with this chip shortage. In fact, it is somewhat flourishing during this time. Another thing about Nvidia, guys, it is going to be big in the mining space. Okay, miners love their products. Another thing, guys, you have to watch out for this is the market cap is going to, a lot of people saying this market cap can reach $1 trillion. Now, if the market cap reaches $1 trillion, you can see this thing 2x from its price now. Okay, a lot of people isn't talking about this stock. A lot of people is talking about the meme stocks. But as far as blue chip stocks go, guys, I believe this is the best blue chip stock to be investing in as of now. More potential is here in this stock. If you take a look here at the institutional holdings, we do see a slight change. But that is okay, guys, because the market cap is so large on this stock. If you take a look at it, the market cap is only 464 billion as of today. Now, experts and analysts say this thing can reach 1 trillion. And a lot of people is bullish on this stock. If we take a look at the analyst rating here, guys, it is rated a buy. And not like most penny stocks, this stock has 46 analysts that has rated the stock. Big difference from penny stocks, guys. Now, a penny stock that a lot of people should have their eye on, let's go to the watch list, is JagX, guys. Jaguar Health is a good penny stock to be in, guys. This stock deals with pets, and during the summertime, we know anything that deals with pets tends to pick up in share price. Now, during this small decline we see here in JagX, guys, this is healthy. If you look here at the patterns in the past, guys, anytime JagX tend to trend up a few days, it gives up its momentum. Now, it seems to be the same case here, so it is showing a good buying opportunity. But JagX is set for another catalyst this summer, guys. They are looking into a SPAC deal. They are looking to a SPAC deal, guys. So I'm expecting that to move the stock as well. Now, a stock that no one is talking about and you haven't been hearing too much talk about it, and that is SOS, guys. This is a mining company stock that has been getting hammered. It is heavily shorted. Not only is SOS heavily shorted, guys, it is being heavily manipulated with short ladder attacks day after day. Now, the market cap is not $1 billion just yet, 651 million, but the free float is quite high as well, guys. SOS can be a good stock to short. I'm being honest with you guys. I will not touch this thing. This is a stock that you guys should get out there and short. Just to be honest with you, SOS is not a buy in my opinion as of now, but it does have potential. But as of now, guys, SOS is something I would short and buy puts on all day long. Another stock, CTRM, guys. CTRM, after the reverse stock split, it has been getting hammered, but it doesn't look like it will see a reversal anytime soon. If you think about it, without the reverse split happening, CTRM is currently at 29 cents. Now, that there is crazy, guys. A lot of people have faith in CTRM, even though they are acquiring more vessels. During this time, they are still struggling with their stock price. And why is that? Because dry bulk isn't looking appealing to the retail investors as of now. The only people that are playing with these stocks are the institutions, guys. And right now, they aren't feeling it either. Right now, institutions are leaning towards clean energy and EV right now, guys. That is what the industry is leaning to, as well as lithium and anything that is mining graphite will be the perfect thing to invest in now, because these lithium batteries does need graphite to make the material. So you guys should get out there and do some DD on that and hit me with a good graphite stock to look at. Now, a lot of people have been talking about BlackBerry. It is looking like BlackBerry has somewhat fizzled out, but expect the hedge funds to let this thing pop sooner or later. Right around the time AMC and GME should be getting close to a margin call. Now, the last time the borrow interest fee was high enough to make shorts close their position, it was in GME. The short interest fee got all the way up to 90%. Currently now, AMC is sitting at 29%, so we have some time to go. But if we can get AMC to hit $65 Monday, force the margin call, and I can see AMC closing above $70. Easy. But the only way to achieve that, guys, we have to smack that asking price on the way up. Even if you only can buy one stock, that will be perfect. Now, a lot of people has been talking about Recon. Will it stop falling? When will it stop falling? Okay, guys, Recon is looking like it has no level of support at all. It is continuing to fall day by day. We are seeing institutions drop this stock every single day, guys. Not only that, we look here at the last day of the order flow distribution, it looks ugly across the board. More money flew out of Recon on all three levels. We have been seeing this the last 6 days of trading. Now, a lot of guys were expecting Recon to bounce at $6, but here we are sitting at $3.92. Do I believe it is time to buy the stock? No, guys, I will not touch Recon until I see more institutional change. That will be my indicator to jump on it, but we don't see that happening just yet. Until the big boys jump in, I'm not ready to jump in a stock like this that just fell from trading at $17, guys. It was just trading at $17.50, and now it currently sits at $3.92, 6 days trading later. So, yeah, guys, this is very risky. Another stock to watch out for that I wouldn't touch just yet is, we go to the big watch list for you guys. Where is it? There you go, guys. Jumia, another stock right now that is looking overvalued in the current situation that is going on over in the Middle East as well as Africa, guys. The e-commerce is not looking too well as a business due to the fact that what's going on with the government as well as the COVID is somewhat picking up over in that area. So The economy is not looking too good. GDP is down this year for Africa as well. You guys got any new plays for me, man? Tell me something, guys. If you watching, say something in the comment section, guys. This is a community where we speak and give ideas. Shit, you know.